Hey guys, good morning. It is so crazy that I am starting out the video by saying good morning when this is a nighttime routine video. But anyway, welcome to our nighttime routine with a newborn. Well, this is really Aiden's specific nighttime routine. This is what we do every single night before we put him to bed. His routine is very straightforward. So at the end of the day, when he wakes up from his last nap of the day, is when I try to give him his last full feeding of the day. I do offer him another kind of top-up feed just before he goes to bed, and it's on him to either take it or leave it. But this particular feeding, I try to get in a very full feeding, so I know that he will be good for a couple hours in the night. So here I am just playing with him. After his feeding, we like to get a little bit of activity going just before we head into bath time. So I'm playing with him, talking to him and stuff like that, and then we are going to head into his nursery and start bath time. So for our nighttime routine, I usually do it alone during the week, but on this day it was a weekend and Adam was at home. So usually when he's at home, while I am preparing Aiden for the bath, taking off his clothes, changing the diaper, all of that, Adam would be the one to like set the bath water, get the rag, get the soap, and just basically get everything ready so we can proceed with having his bath time go smoothly. We absolutely love when Adam can be a part of the nighttime routine, especially since he is not at home when the nighttime routine is happening during the week because of work. I found out very early on that Aiden has very sensitive skin, and it was a struggle for me to find products that would really work on his skin and like not cause rashes and stuff like that. So we are now currently using the Cetaphil baby wash and shampoo, and also the Cetaphil daily baby lotion, thanks to my friend who put me onto this. Usually these brands are hard to find in Japan, but luckily I have been able to get my hands on them and I have been stocking up, trust me. And here Adam is showing you how we record Aiden's daily activities such as pee and poop diapers. I think we did change a poop here, so Adam is just showing you guys how we do that. We use the Huckleberry app. Bath time is a fun time around here. Aiden has finally reached the age where he absolutely loves bath time and he loves to kick up his legs, and very soon I know he will be splashing and we'll have to transfer him to the bathroom instead of bathing him in the nursery. Can babies get any cuter when they are in the bath? You guys, oh my god, I could eat Aiden up as I sit here and watch him. So bath time usually lasts anywhere from 10 to 15 minutes. It really depends on Aiden's mood, and I really just try to get the basics in. So I'm washing his neck, I'm washing his face, I'm washing in all of his creases, groin, his butt, you name it, we are digging in. I do not wash his hair with soap every single night, but I do like to rinse out whatever sweat with just the damp cloth. Alright, on to the good stuff. So now Adam is usually the one to get the towel, and we will always just put him up in the air like a Lion King and shout, "It's a boy!" And he seems to really enjoy that aspect of his bath time coming to an end, because just like when you give birth and they're like, "It's a boy," that's where we got that idea from. But he generally tends to enjoy coming out of the bath and being wrapped into his nice warm towel. towel. And at this point it was also winter, and because we don't have dryers in Japan, we'd have to put the towel in front of the space heater for it to warm up a bit and then use it to dry him off so he's not freezing cold. Also, Aiden does not like getting his body like lotioned and stuff, so I found a trick, and that is basically to lotion his back while he's over my shoulder. That way I can just move into diaper changing and putting on his PJ without having to, you know, turn him over, lotioning his back, flipping him over again and lotioning everywhere else. It seems to work, and that's what we have been doing. Time to get dressed for the night, and for diaper cream, I found the Aquaphor here in Japan on a website called iHerb. So if you have a baby and you're living in Japan and you're wondering how you can get access to some Western brands, iHerb is going to be the place you will find them. So here I'm just lotioning him up, putting on his diaper cream, and getting him all dressed and ready for the night. If we are not using Aquaphor, then we are generally using baby Vaseline. You can never go wrong. And of course, I did mention that we are using the Cetaphil baby lotion otherwise. Mr. Aiden has started to get fussy, so that means we need to wrap it up and get him into bed ASAP. Usually this is where he is the fussiest. I try to give him a second offering of bedtime feeding. Some nights he takes it, other nights like tonight he does not want anything to do with it, and we just need to get him to bed ASAP. So that is what we're doing. Usually I walk with him all around the house, turn the lights off so he can see that we are, you know, shutting down. He is seeing us turn the lights off, walking into the room where it's dark. That is really signaling to his body that it's nighttime and he's about to go down for the night. So all of the things are laid down here on the bed that we use in the night. We have officially transitioned him from the swaddle to a sleep sack, so he is sleeping arms out. It was not so much of a bad transition process. I think he got the hang of it by night 3. So that is what we have been doing. His sleep sack and his pacifier, those are crucial for laying him down for night sleep. And we are usually doing all of this in the dark. And the very last step in our night routine is to sing him his bedtime song, and that is the I Love You, You Love Me song. We usually sing until he is drowsy, and then we lay him down, turn the sound machine on, and leave the room. Sometimes he will fuss, but once he starts fussing, we set a 10-minute timer and we allow him to try to figure it out on his own, put himself to sleep. If he doesn't, it's okay. We go in, we intervene, we try to pat, shush. We might even take him up, calm him down, and then lay him down again. And this is basically our method of I guess you could say gentle sleep training. We are trying to let him learn how to self-settle by himself, and I will be filming a video updating you guys on just how his sleep is going since we have gentle sleep trained. So be sure to subscribe and join the fam while hitting the notification bell so you do not miss those upcoming videos. Thank you so much for spending time with us today and enjoying our night routine with us, and see you in the next video. Bye.